the move. Don't mean to disturb you.
We're gonna go start our walk towards the hot springs. So we gotta go this way. Take our BC Parks receipt to prove that we paid for the night and then go for a walk. It's a little overcast, but I'm happy not to get sunburnt. So let's go explore the hot springs. I feel like we're going into Jurassic Park.
Dun, dun, dun.
Through the electric fences. How big of a zap do these things hold?
Never approach bears.
You gotta approach the bears. I'm gonna touch that electric fence at the end of the day, you watch. But this is what our journey is gonna look like to the hot springs, down this nice wooden path. Now I've been heard that you can see moose every now and then eating this salty water, mineral water. So we're gonna have to keep an eye out for some mooses. Or we can just push Tabitha in. This is a really nice boardwalk. I don't know what it's like on most days, but there is no mosquitoes. There's no noises except for me talking. It's a beautiful view. Springs are coming up. Guys, I see something in the distance. It looks like a beautiful building. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. It's been in the rain for the past 5 days.
Maybe the biggest question was in the last chapter. You gave me the soul I have today. Without you, I never could have moved away. But now I see what you teach. I do believe I always should have stayed. Yeah. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure. But one day I'll be yours again. One day I'll be life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. Life changes just open the door. One thing's certain, I'll always be yours. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours. Yeah. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really?
Remember what happened to the boy on Jurassic Park, though?
Very let down.
Well, that'll keep the bears out.
Touch the right wire? I gotta touch the right wire. guess I'm just not electricity proof. So we just pulled down at Whirlpool Canyon, and it says it's not for big RVs or vehicles towing trailers. Quite a bit of space, but I think if there was a couple vehicles parked, it wouldn't be a whole lot of space. But you know, for the backup cameras, oh, look at that pretty lady. Look at on the backup cameras on the bus, no problems. This space here, lots of space to turn around. Just seeing a whole bunch of bison and their babies. Wood bison?
Yep.
Yes. Come on, old lady. This way. She's coming.
That was the dog, not me.
Yeah. The dog is the old lady, not her. So let's go take a look at these rapids.
There's trees.
You know, the old gold miners and gold panners, if you guys had to fight this river, I feel bad for you guys. Jeez. Look at all the trees washed up. Look at the rapids. This does not look like a great place to try to kayak up or down this river, that's for sure. This looks like hell. It looks really cool. It looks horrible. Super pretty here, guys. I think it's only gonna get more and more amazing the farther we go north into the Yukon and Alaska, because you guys, they gotta think, we're still in British Columbia. We still haven't even crossed over to the Yukon yet. Today we will be crossing into the Yukon and camping in Watson Lake. And this is very pretty. Very pretty. Look at that tree going down the river. That could be me on a whitewater raft one day. The Yukon sign because I thought it was just the connection junction where the two sides met, but unfortunately it was actually the Yukon sign. But it was very stuck in stickers. Just past the BC sign saying that we've now left BC. So now Tabitha and I are at the 60th parallel, which is basically the line that divides the Yukon and British Columbia. We'll go up. But the roads are starting to get a little bit worse, but on the bright side, there's a sign over there that says fishing. And I have a Yukon fishing license. I did not get a British Columbia fishing license. So the first time we passed the sign, it was like right here. And then we went back into BC, went back into the Yukon, went back into BC, and now we're just crossing into the Yukon again. Oh, it looks like we got to cross into the BC again over here. Hey, look at that, we have to go back.
There's a few times we have to.
Yeah. We're going here today, and that's where we're going to be spending the night. Ooh, Tabitha, we gotta go there. So we drove a little bit farther than where we stopped at the 60th parallel and try to guess what we found. We found the new Yukon sign. Guys, we made it. We made it all the way to the goddamn Yukon. I know it doesn't seem like much, but this has been over a week of driving. I know that a lot of these guys have gone a lot farther with a lot smaller. Well, look at the sand. But you know what, the bus made it, Tabitha and I made it, and our goal tonight is Watson Lake. So let's see if we can make it there tonight. I think we can. Today, guys, this is much bigger than it looks on the internet. Anybody that says they've been here, I get it, you've been here, but like when you put these videos on YouTube, it definitely does not look this big, like at all. Like I thought it was going to be a lot of stuff, but guys, this is a lot of stuff. Like, this is crazy. 2015, 2018, 2,400 kilometers. Buddy, we got you beat by 2.5 times. 2010, 2017. All right, I think that guy came from a little farther. Vancouver. This is pretty cool, guys. There's a goddamn toaster. You mean a bath bomb. Drink whole milk.
Thousands and thousands of signs everywhere.
I seen that over there.
Today is our best day. Yeah, those are I love them. I love them too.
Tottenham, Ontario.
So glad. Hi, Abby.
Nope.
I am.
Guys are pretty close to us. Oh, Hillary Clinton. She's been vandalized.
Oh, it's not big enough. That's what she said.
So we found a spot for it. It was very hard finding a spot. We spent almost 45 minutes looking for a spot. And here we go. Almost visible from the road. Right there. We got a spot right here. This is our spot. Milwaukee to the rescue. So now we're gonna go find a place to have a shower and do some laundry.